Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this episode, we'll guide you through setting up automatic headland turns, enabling your tractor to perform turns automatically and flexibly on demand. To optimize performance across various fields and applications, multiple patterns are available. To use automatic headland turns, you must activate a license and enable access to the functionality. To do this, go to System, Features, Guidance and enable headland turns. Next, engage auto steering and ensure a boundary and a configured headland are set up in advance. For detailed guidance on these steps, refer to the dedicated tutorial videos in our playlist. Finally, navigate to Guidelines menu, configure headland turns and set up the last parameters. Set the turn radius based on the vehicle's and implement's turning capabilities. For optimal performance, we recommend measuring the tractor's steering capacity. If the implement is trailed, consider the tractor may need to steer less to prevent contact. To measure the turn radius, mark the center of the rear axle, performing a U-turn, and then mark the center of the rear axle on the opposite side. Measure the distance between these two marks, divide it by 2 and enter this value in the field. Adjust the turn line location between the headland and boundary using the slider. The light blue line on the display indicates where the headland turns will occur, helping you visualize the turn shape and position. Moving the slider left brings the turn closer to the boundary, while moving it right shifts it towards the headland width. To input a specific distance, tap the distance displayed next to the slider. The last button automatically sets the location to half the implement width. Tip: start with the turn location set to the implement width to ensure adequate clearance from the boundary. Once comfortable with the turn, you can adjust the location closer to the boundary as needed. Open the Pattern submenu to select the travel pattern. Skip rows. Skip rows during each turn. This is recommended to be considered especially for smaller implements and faster turning operation. Swath progression. Choose increasing or decreasing swath numbers to control the travel path. To view all guideline numbers in the field, if using AB lines, select Line Numbers in the Layer View controls. As last setup in this menu, choose your pattern. Alternating. Travels up one row and down the next, allowing skipped rows for larger implements. Infill. Skips a row initially, then turns back to fill it in. Single direction infill. Turns in the same direction at each row end. After confirming the settings, automatic headland turns will be enabled and you're ready to go. For added comfort and safety, a reminder will notify you as you approach the headland boundary, providing details about the distance, planned turning direction and options to edit the turn if needed. From the notification banner, you can change the turn direction, adjust skipped rows or reject the turn entirely. Additionally, it will inform you if a turn cannot be performed, such as when the field is nearly finished. To configure the reminder, click on the wrench or go to System, Alarms, General, Headland Turns. Following parameters can be adjusted. Alarm state enables the notification and sets its behavior. Distance to headland. Set the distance when the notification will appear. Turn options. Choose to display headland turn options on the notification banner. If you would like to not use automatic headland turns due to specific field conditions, you can disable the functionality at any time in the guidance menu. Automatic headland turns are available with AB lines or identical curve guidelines. To activate this feature, you'll need to purchase a license. Your dealer can assist by either activating it for you or providing a USB with the license code. To activate manually, go to System, Features, Licenses. Insert the USB, select the Update option and confirm. Alternatively, you can manually enter the license code by selecting Unlicensed in the status column. That's it for this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your tractor and iMonitor.